Welcome back, learners. In today's video, you'll hear Arfa and Alex share their top 3 tips to improve communication skills. Simple, real, and effective methods you can start using today. Let's listen.
Hey, Alex. You're looking confident today. Been practicing your English again?
Always. You know I'm working on improving my communication skills.
Same here. I think everyone wants to sound natural and confident.
True. Why don't we share our top 3 tips for better communication?
Great idea. Let's do it.
Okay, then start from tip number 1. Build confidence through daily practice.
I'll start. My first tip, practice speaking every single day, even if you're alone.
Absolutely. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. Like, I'm cooking dinner, or I'm writing a message.
Exactly. It keeps your brain thinking in English.
And if you're shy, record your voice or practice in front of a mirror.
Yes, the mirror method helps with expressions and body language.
My advice, don't wait for a partner. You are your best practice partner. Speak out loud daily.
The more you talk, the more confident you become.
And confidence makes communication easier.
Remember a summary? Daily practice plus self-talk equals stronger confidence and fluency.
Okay, so tip number 2, listen actively and learn from real conversations. My favorite tip, active listening.
Oh yes, many people focus only on speaking, but forget that good speakers are great listeners.
Exactly. Listen to podcasts, movies, YouTube videos, even songs. Focus on how people connect words, pause, and emphasize.
I like repeating short lines from English movies. It helps with pronunciation and rhythm.
That's the shadowing technique, right?
Yep. Listen, repeat instantly, and copy tone and emotion.
Here's summary. Shadowing equals listen plus repeat, match tone immediately. Also, when you talk with someone, don't just wait for your turn to speak.
True. Listen carefully, then respond naturally. That's real communication.
Use simple words and speak clearly.
My final tip, keep it simple. You don't need big words to sound smart.
Exactly. Use short, clear sentences. People understand you better that way.
When you're nervous, slow down a bit. It helps your brain and your listener.
And smile while you speak. It changes your tone completely.
Yes, a friendly tone equals confident communication.
Keep in your mind, communication is not about vocabulary size. It's about clarity, connection, and confidence.
Also, think before you speak. Take half a second to form your thought.
That pause shows maturity and calmness.
This part recap. Use simple words. Think before speaking. Smile. Speak slowly equals effective communication.
Final summary. So our top 3 tips again. Number 1, practice daily, even alone. Number 2, listen actively and shadow native speakers. And number 3, keep it simple and speak clearly.
Perfect. Remember, communication is a skill, not a talent. The more you use it, the better you get.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and don't fear mistakes.
Exactly. Speak from your heart, not from your fear. Okay for today. See you again.
Now it's your turn. Comment below which tip you'll start using today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations and fluency lessons.